How's it going, everybody? My name is Marcos Perales. I own CV Pools, and I've been doing pool repair for about 20 years. And today I have a pump that's not starting, and I took a look at the pump. One of the first things I do to see if there's an issue with the pump is, of course, I turn the pump off and I take the basket out, and I make sure that the impeller's moving. If the impeller's moving with no problem, that means the bearings are okay. If I turn the pool pump on once it's all back together and you hear like a humming noise and it pops the breaker and the rotor is loose, the impeller, all of that is loose, or it turns freely, it could be that you're having a capacitor problem. There could be a short in the motor, or maybe you're not getting power. In this instance, we're going to take a look at the relay. So normally what you can do here is you go from auto to service. So you push this once and we're in service. You may not be able to see it there, but you're going to have to trust me. Take off the front panel and take a look at this stuff. Now you got to be careful, right? If this is something that you don't want to do, not too sharp on the whole electricity can shock you thing, I suggest you stay away. Okay. So we take the cover off here, and these black blocks here, there's 7 of them, are called relays. So the yellow in this very first one here happens to be the one for the filter relay. Okay, so if we touch this, the pump should turn on. It's not a variable speed, it's a single speed, but it's not. You can hear a noise clicking. There's a little clicking noise of the coil moving the contacts back and forth. But it's not moving the electricity over. Right now it is off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get an electricity tester, voltage meter. This is a multimeter, and we're going to test that we're getting electricity. The breaker is on. Okay, so we just take a look, we follow the wires, and this is the breaker here for the main pump. It's also marked on this panel here, pool circulation pump. And we're going to make sure that the electricity is getting from here to there. So let's take a look. So both positive sides, we're getting 244 volts. So it looks like we're doing okay. If you're getting, you have to know if you're wired at 120 or 240. That would definitely make a difference as how you're testing this. Now, if it was a single pole, you'd only have one hot wire and then one hot wire running out. If you were to touch both of these, and you would get a 0 or something a lot closer to 0, like an 8 or a 10. It doesn't have to be exactly those numbers, but if you get those, a lot lower number, there's a short somewhere. So you got to find out where that's at, but that's for another video. So we're getting 244. We're going to go ahead and turn it on. Okay, light is on, so the electricity should go over. We're going to test the other side. And we're getting a big 0. You can see that. It says 0 on there. Well, I can't bring it over and test it at the same time. You're going to have to trust me if you can't see it. So what's happening here is the electricity is not moving over from here to there. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and switch out this relay. That's the problem. Motor won't turn on because the electricity is not getting pushed over. Okay, so anyway, I'm going to cut this video right here so that it saves you all of the time of watching me pull this in and out. Basically, you loosen the wires, take this off, replace the relay, wire it exactly the same it was. You might want to take a picture if you're not familiar, replug it in, push it. Now, if that were to happen, if I were to go ahead and switch the relay out, and it wouldn't work, knowing that you have a brand new relay, You can test the relay by switching it to one of these. This doesn't even belong. You can switch the relay to something else to see if you can activate it. If not, the board would be bad, because if it's not working here, it should work here or here or here, one of these other relays. Where you activate one of these, you can just, for testing purposes, you can switch it around to see if that's what the problem is. So anyway, enough of that. I'm going to get to work.